I remember the day I looked in the mirror and paused, noticing subtle changes that seemed to appear overnight. There was a moment of surprise, almost disbelief, as I didn't quite recognize myself. My skin felt drier, duller, and my usual moisturizers just weren't working the way they used to. The glow I once took for granted seemed to have faded, replaced by a new texture and tone. It wasn't about vanity. It was about feeling comfortable in my own skin, wanting to recognize the person looking back at me. I soon learned these changes were classic signs of perimenopause, a natural transition that every woman experiences in her own way. Hormonal shifts were changing my skin's structure and its ability to hold moisture, making it more sensitive and prone to dryness. I felt lost, like I was solving a puzzle without all the pieces. The products I relied on for years suddenly felt ineffective, and the beauty aisles seemed overwhelming. Instead of just slathering on thicker creams, I wanted to understand what was really happening beneath the surface. I started reading, researching, and asking questions, determined to find answers that made sense for me. My journey led me to realize that true radiance comes from within. It's not just about what you put on your skin, but how you care for your whole self, mind, body, and spirit. I started exploring how to nourish my skin from the inside out, focusing on hydration, nutrition, and gentle self-care rituals that made me feel good. Menopause became an invitation to listen to my body and support it in new ways, to slow down and honor the changes rather than resist them. I stopped fighting the changes and started working with them, using nature's power to restore balance. Simple, natural ingredients became my allies, helping me reconnect with my skin's needs. This guide is everything I learned about reclaiming your skin's glow during menopause, naturally and gently. It's a collection of tips, insights, and encouragement for anyone on this path. It's not about chasing youth, but embracing who you are now and giving your skin the care it deserves, with kindness and patience. Let's start by understanding why these changes happen and how you can support your skin through every stage of this remarkable journey. What's happening to our skin during menopause? It all comes down to estrogen. Estrogen keeps skin plump, hydrated, and resilient by stimulating collagen and natural oils. As estrogen drops, so does collagen, up to 30% in the first 5 years of menopause. This leads to thinner, less firm skin, more lines, and sagging. The skin's barrier weakens, making dryness and sensitivity more common. Products that once worked may now cause irritation. Understanding this process is empowering. The core issues are collagen loss and dehydration. You can target these with the right diet and skincare. It's not your fault, and you don't have to just accept it. By supporting collagen and moisture, you can help your skin feel comfortable and radiant again. Menopause is a shift, but you can navigate it with knowledge and care. Let's look at how food can help. What you eat is as important as what you put on your skin during menopause. Your diet can significantly impact your skin's health and appearance. Vitamin C is essential for collagen. Think citrus, berries, peppers, and leafy greens. These foods help maintain your skin's elasticity and firmness. Sulfur-rich foods like onions, garlic, and eggs help build strong collagen bonds. They also support detoxification, which is crucial for clear skin. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds fight inflammation and support your skin's moisture barrier. These healthy fats keep your skin supple and hydrated. Bone broth is a traditional source of collagen and minerals. Sip it for skin, gut, and joint health. It's a nourishing addition to your diet. Phytoestrogens in flax seeds, chickpeas, and soy gently support your skin when estrogen is low. These plant-based compounds can help balance your hormones naturally. Hydration is fundamental. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin plump and radiant. Water-rich foods like cucumber and watermelon also help hydrate from within. These foods are refreshing and packed with vitamins. Eating the rainbow ensures you get a variety of skin-supporting nutrients. Different colors represent different vitamins and minerals essential for skin health. These foods provide the building blocks for healthy, glowing skin. Incorporating them into your daily meals can make a noticeable difference. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference. Start by adding a few of these skin-loving foods to your meals. Nourish your skin from the inside and you'll see the results outside. Healthy skin starts with a healthy diet. Now, let's explore simple DIY skin treatments. These treatments can complement your diet and enhance your skin's appearance. You don't need fancy products. Your kitchen has what you need. Natural ingredients can be just as effective as store-bought products. Here's how to make your own nourishing masks and scrubs. These DIY treatments are easy to make and use ingredients you likely already have. You don't need expensive products. Sometimes, the most effective skincare solutions are already in your home. Your kitchen holds the best ingredients for glowing, healthy skin, and these natural remedies are gentle yet powerful. Try an avocado and honey hydrating mask. Simply mash half an avocado until smooth, then mix in a tablespoon of raw honey, which is naturally antibacterial and deeply moisturizing. Apply this creamy blend to clean skin, spreading it evenly over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients soak in and hydrate your skin. Then rinse with lukewarm water for softer, plumper skin that feels refreshed and nourished. For gentle exfoliation, make an oatmeal and yogurt soothing scrub. This is perfect for sensitive or mature skin. Mix ground oats with plain yogurt to create a gentle, nourishing paste. Massage it onto your face in small circles, focusing on areas that need extra care, then rinse thoroughly. These treatments hydrate, calm, and brighten without stripping your skin's natural barrier, leaving you with a healthy glow. As skin becomes more sensitive during menopause, it's important to avoid harsh scrubs and chemical-laden products. Use these natural recipes weekly for a healthy glow. DIY treatments are simple, effective, and can be customized to your skin's needs. Plus, they're free from harsh chemicals, fragrances, and unnecessary additives. They're a wonderful way to pamper yourself, relax, and reconnect with your skin. Supporting your skin's changing needs is all about consistency. Make these rituals part of your regular routine. Over time, you'll notice your skin looking and feeling more radiant, supple, and healthy. Next, let's talk about the power of plant oils, nature's answer to dehydration and repair. These oils are packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants that help restore your skin's natural glow. Here's how to use them for mature skin, so you can enjoy lasting hydration and a luminous complexion. Plant oils are a gift for menopausal skin, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. Rosehip seed oil, jojoba, and argan oil deeply hydrate and support skin repair. Sea buckthorn oil is excellent for very dry or damaged skin. Warm a few drops in your palms and press into clean skin. Essential oils like frankincense, geranium, and lavender can be added. Always dilute in a carrier oil. Use 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Always patch test before using on your face. These blends can improve tone, reduce wrinkles, and soothe irritation. Let's look at other gentle actives that support mature skin. Sometimes, skin needs a boost from proven gentle actives. Retinol, vitamin A, stimulates collagen and smooths lines. Start with a low dose. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, strengthens the skin barrier, calms redness, and improves tone. Peptides signal your skin to build more collagen and elastin, improving firmness. Vitamin C serum brightens and protects against free radicals. Green tea extract soothes and shields from environmental damage. Use these actives in serums or moisturizers for best results. They're gentle, effective, and work well together. Consistency is key. Give your skin time to respond. Combine these with natural oils for a balanced routine. Now let's talk about lifestyle habits for lasting radiance. Beautiful skin reflects your daily habits, not just your products. Sun protection is essential. Use SPF 30+ every morning, rain or shine. Mineral sunscreens are gentle and effective for sensitive skin. Quality sleep is crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to allow your skin to repair. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which breaks down collagen. Find ways to relax daily. Regular exercise boosts circulation and gives your skin a healthy glow. Be gentle with your skin. Use creamy cleansers and avoid harsh scrubs. Ditch habits like smoking, which accelerate aging. Add facial massage with your moisturizer to boost circulation and reduce puffiness. Small rituals, like a relaxing bedtime routine, make a visible difference. Consistency and self-care are your best tools. These habits support your skin's health from the inside out. Next, let's answer some common questions about menopausal skin. You're not alone. Here's what you need to know. Can you reverse collagen loss? Not completely, but you can rebuild and support it with the right foods and skincare. Are natural remedies effective? Yes, with consistency. Small, daily choices add up to lasting change. Should you take collagen supplements? They can help, especially hydrolyzed peptides, but work best with a healthy diet and routine. How long to see results? Hydration and glow can improve quickly, but collagen building takes 3 to 6 months of steady care. Patience and consistency are key. There's no magic bullet, but a holistic approach works. Focus on progress, not perfection. Now let's wrap up with a message of encouragement. Menopause is a profound transformation, and your skin's changes are a natural part of it. See this time as an opportunity to reconnect and care for yourself in new ways. Your beauty isn't fading, it's evolving. You have simple, natural tools to help your skin thrive. Feed your glow with nourishing foods, gentle actives, and daily rituals. Don't feel overwhelmed. Start with 1 or 2 changes that resonate with you. Small, consistent steps build lasting radiance. Celebrate every small victory. Softer skin, a brighter morning, a moment of self-care. Be patient and kind to yourself. Your body deserves your love and support now more than ever. By choosing natural care, you're reclaiming your glow and stepping into a new chapter with confidence. Embrace this journey and your enduring beauty. You are radiant, inside and out. If you love discovering natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring remedies and self-care ideas. We're here to support your journey. Let's glow together.